In the cold vastness of the cosmos, just 4 light-years away from our fragile blue home, lies a world that has ignited the dreams and fears of scientists alike. A planet so close and yet so mysterious that it might hold the answer to one of humanity's oldest questions: are we alone in the universe? This is the story of Proxima b, Earth's nearest exoplanet, a world that dances with fire and shadow around a crimson sun. A planet where life could exist or where death reigns in silence. Welcome, traveler, to the edge of possibility. The year was 2016. Astronomers peered through one of Earth's most advanced observatories, the HARP spectrograph in Chile, searching for wobbles in the faint light of a dim red star, Proxima Centauri. And then they saw it. The star was trembling ever so slightly, a tiny, rhythmic pull caused by something massive orbiting it. The signature of a planet. They had found it, Proxima b, the nearest world beyond our solar system. A planet orbiting the smallest star in the Alpha Centauri system, a cosmic neighbor just next door. Excitement rippled through the scientific world. For the first time, humanity had a potentially habitable planet right in its backyard. But Proxima b is no Earth twin. It's a world of extremes. It circles its parent star at only 7 million kilometers, 20 times closer than Mercury is to our Sun. And yet, because Proxima Centauri burns dimly, the planet rests in the so-called habitable zone. Here, liquid water could exist. But proximity comes with a price. The star flares violently, ultraviolet storms and X-ray bursts that could strip the planet's atmosphere away like skin from bone. Any life on the surface would be bathed in deadly radiation. Imagine an alien sky glowing red, the horizon forever bleeding in twilight, a world locked between day and night, one side scorched in eternal fire, the other frozen in endless night. Could anything survive such a world? Proxima b may be tidally locked, one hemisphere always facing its star. On the day side, molten deserts may stretch beneath crimson skies. On the night side, a dark ice world sleeps beneath starlight. But in between lies a narrow ring of eternal twilight, where the day never ends and the night never begins. In this dim region, temperatures could be mild enough for liquid water to flow, perhaps rivers beneath the red glow, oceans reflecting the dying light of their star. If life exists, this twilight belt could be its refuge. Imagine forests of alien plants that glow faintly to absorb the dim red light. Imagine oceans teeming with strange creatures that navigate by magnetic fields, not sunlight. But life would have to endure hell itself. Proxima Centauri is a monster of storms, a red dwarf whose flares are 100 times more powerful than the sun's. These blasts could strip atmospheres, scorch oceans, and turn the surface into a radiation wasteland. Yet some scientists believe a magnetic field could save Proxima b. If its core still churns with molten iron, it might create a magnetic shield powerful enough to deflect stellar rage. Or perhaps a dense atmosphere, thick like Venus's, could protect what lies beneath. And if life exists, it might not live on the surface at all. It might hide beneath the ground, or under miles of ice, surviving on chemical reactions like the microbes we find on Earth's ocean floors and deep caves. Picture this: beneath the frozen crust, deep oceans stretch into darkness. Hydrothermal vents spew chemical-rich water, just like the black smokers in Earth's deep sea. Here, life could thrive not on sunlight, but on chemistry. Tiny microbes feeding on minerals. Alien organisms glowing faintly in the abyss. Perhaps even complex beings with metallic skins, adapted to high pressure and faint radiation. Their eyes, if they have any, would see in infrared. Their language could be pulses of light. Their world eternal night, eternal survival. These are not the aliens of science fiction. These are the survivors of nature, molded by time, fire, and the silence of space. If such life exists, could it know we're here? In 2019, astronomers at the Parkes Radio Telescope in Australia detected a mysterious narrowband signal right from the direction of Proxima Centauri. It wasn't random noise. It had structure. It looked artificial. For a brief, thrilling moment, humanity thought it might be hearing its first whisper from another world. But later, the signal was traced to human interference. Still, the incident proved one thing: our ears are open, and Proxima is listening too. Reaching Proxima b with today's technology would take over 70,000 years. But a new dream is rising: breakthroughstarshot. Tiny, laser-powered spacecraft no bigger than a computer chip launched at 20% the speed of light. In just 20 years, they could reach Proxima b, sending back images of its surface, its sky, its oceans, or its deserts of silence. If we succeed, the next generation of humans might witness the first alien sunrise ever recorded not on a movie screen, but through a real camera from another world. Proxima b is not just a planet. It's a mirror reflecting our curiosity, our fears, our dreams of finding something beyond ourselves. It reminds us that the universe is not empty. It's waiting. Waiting for us to listen, to explore, to reach beyond the boundaries of our small blue world. Perhaps one day, when our descendants walk beneath the red sky of Proxima b, they will look back at the faint star called the Sun and whisper, that's where it all began.